This faceless workout channel launched just 2 months ago. 2 weeks after its first upload, that video hit 1 million views, and now several other uploads are gaining steady traction. Want to copy that blueprint? I'll show you how. Meet the channel, Captain Workout. Launched 2 months ago, its first long-form workout video exploded to 1 million views within weeks. The second video is climbing fast, and 3 to 4 additional uploads are also pulling in views consistently. Here's the money part. Those long workout videos are converting into real revenue, thousands of dollars per month from YouTube ads alone. High watch time plus long-form content equals strong ad earnings and fast monetization. Another creator copied the format, added a unique style, and monetized quickly too. That proves the video strategy is repeatable, as long as you follow the right steps and stay consistent with content. I'll teach you exactly how to build a faceless channel that earns from your laptop, step by step. From concept to upload, I'll cover every stage: idea, script, AI voiceover, footage selection, editing for retention, and thumbnail design. I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. No fancy gear, no face on camera. This method works because it focuses on watch time and consistency, not flashy personalities. With a repeatable process, your faceless channel can scale to thousands of dollars per month quickly. If you want the full, actionable walkthrough, I'll show real examples, templates, and exactly what to do in each step. Smash that like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. All right, let's get started. First, let's take an example from the channel Captain Workout. This channel started just 2 months ago, and its very first video already has over 1 million views. I'll open that video so you can see exactly what to do. Now, scroll down to the description section and click Show More. After that, look for the option Show Transcript. Once you open the transcript, you'll see the full script of the video on the right side. Next, click the 3 dots above the transcript and select Toggle Timestamps. This will remove all the time codes, leaving you with the complete script in clean text format. Now copy the entire script, open ChatGPT, and paste the script there. After pasting, I'll also give you a special prompt. All the prompts are linked in the description below. Simply copy the prompt from the Google Doc, come back to ChatGPT, paste it along with your script, and then hit Generate. Within seconds, you'll have a brand new, unique script ready to use for your own faceless channel. After ChatGPT gives you the rewritten script, read it carefully and then copy the script you want to use. Open the ElevenLabs link in the description and sign up or log in. They give a free test allowance. Use it to try voices before you upgrade. Go to the text-to-speech or text-and-speech section. Paste your copied script into the text box. On the right side, you'll see voice options. Listen to a few samples and pick the voice that matches your channel's vibe: calm, energetic, or authoritative. Before you generate, scan your script for punctuation, names, and weird spacing. Fix any mistakes now. The AI reads exactly what's written, and errors will sound bad in the final audio. Click Generate. ElevenLabs will create the voice in a few seconds. So tweak the text first to avoid wasting them. Listen to the generated audio. If something sounds off, edit the text and regenerate until it's perfect. Small changes to punctuation and line breaks can change the pacing a lot. When you're happy, download the audio file, or save it in your ElevenLabs library so you can import it into your editing software. Now that we've generated a human-like AI voice in ElevenLabs, let's make it sound even more professional. For this, we'll use Adobe Podcast, a free online tool that enhances speech quality. Go to the Adobe Podcast website, link is in the description, then sign up or log in with your account. Once you're inside, click on Enhance Speech. Here you'll see an option to upload your voiceover file. Upload the audio you downloaded from ElevenLabs. Adobe Podcast will automatically process it, removing background noise and making it sound crisp, clear, and studio quality. After processing, simply click Download to save the enhanced version of your voiceover. This upgraded file will make your video sound like it was recorded in a professional studio. Here's the real game changer. Just like Captain Workout uses a character to explain workout routines, you can use an AI-generated character to create your own faceless videos. First, open the Google Doc I shared in the description. Copy this prompt from there. Now head over to ChatGPT, paste the prompt provided in the Google Doc. Next, download the character file from the link in the description. Once downloaded, upload it to the ChatGPT. After uploading your character and pasting the prompt, click the Next button. ChatGPT will process everything and give you 12 to 13 ready-to-use prompts. These prompts are designed for different AI tools, and they'll help you create professional videos using the character you uploaded. This hack saves time, makes your videos more engaging, and keeps your channel faceless while still building a strong brand identity. Now that you have your character and script ready, it's time to bring everything to life. For this step, we'll use flow.lab.google, an AI tool that turns text prompts into full videos. First, go to the website and click Create with Flow. Then select New Project. From the menu, choose Frame to Video. Here, upload the character file I've given you. Link is in the description. Once uploaded, click the Save and Crop button. After saving, you'll see an interface with a prompt box on the screen. In the prompt box, type your instructions in 2 to 3 clear lines. Then select Aspect Ratio, 16:9, perfect for YouTube. Code name and model VEO3 Fast. Now click the Generate button. You'll see an arrow appear to preview the video. Within 30 to 40 seconds, your video will be ready. Repeat the same steps for all your scripts and prompts. Just remember, always upload the character file I've provided before generating. That way, every video keeps the same style and consistency. Now it's time to put everything together and create a professional final video. For editing, we'll use CapCut. It's simple, powerful, and free. You can use other software too, but CapCut is perfect for YouTube automation channels. First, open CapCut and click Import. Bring in 2 files: your enhanced voiceover from Adobe Podcast, your AI-generated video clips from Google Flow Lab. Drag your voiceover onto the timeline. Play it once and trim out any unwanted pauses or mistakes so it flows smoothly. Next, add your video clips right above the voiceover track. Adjust them step by step so each scene matches the narration. This will keep your video tight and engaging. Now polish it up. Add transitions between clips for smooth flow. Use zoom-ins, cutaways, or text highlights to boost retention. Adjust background music volume if you want extra energy. Once your clips are in sync with the voiceover, let's generate captions. Go to the Auto Captions option, select your language, and hit Generate. CapCut will create subtitles automatically, review them, and fix any small errors for accuracy. Finally, click the Export button in the top right corner. Save your video in 1080p HD for best results. That's it. Your high-quality faceless video is now ready. And there you have it. From script to upload, we just built a viral faceless YouTube video in under an hour. If you follow these steps consistently, you'll be on your way to growing a monetized channel fast. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
What if I told you there's a secret method that can take you from struggling with 10 push-ups to smashing 100, and almost nobody talks about it? You've probably tried doing push-ups every single day, only to feel stuck with little to no progress. Frustrating, right? But don't worry, because once you learn this method, you'll finally see results that most people never achieve. Here's the truth. 99% of people who try this quit within the first 3 to 4 days. But the 1% who stick with it, they see push-up gains that feel unbelievable. And the best part? The method is actually simple. Before I reveal it, you need to unlearn one common mistake: training like everyone else. Doing 5 sets of 15 reps won't take you to 80 or 100 push-ups in a row. Instead, the secret is pushing each set to true failure, that point where your body literally refuses to do even one more rep.